This video is for entertainment purposes only. It's not meant to be instruction. And here I have for us today is a Invicta Pro Diver Heritage. It's one of my favorite watches to wear, actually. And it is just completely dead. Gone. Battery's out. This thing was just cruddy too. I just cleaned the back of it. It just looked horrid. I mean horrid. It was just disgusting to look at. So I took it, ran a toothbrush with some dish soap around it. Not sure if I'm supposed to do that or not, but got it looking pretty good. Got it to wearable condition again. So I'm not going to take the strap off. I'm going to go ahead and take the strap and just kind of, I'm going to separate it. I'm going to do the pin back here, lay it on its back, on its face, and take the cover off. So let's get cracking. Grab my little pick tool, whatever that's called. Oh, gotta go find that thing. So here's the back of it. That thing was just covered with soap scum big time. Got it kind of cleaned up in the back here. I always thought this was rust. I thought, well, how can it rust when it's stainless steel? And I realized it was just brown, like scum that builds up from washing hands, etc. So I got a square lug, so I'm going to take the square heads, put them on my wrench, set the wrench to do its thing. Alright, so I got the wrench heads on these lugs, and once again I'm trying to make a cool move and it falls out of the lugs. Let me get down here and do this. Oop. Be right with you guys. Okay guys, got it on the lugs. Let's see it go. Oh, this is a little tough. There it goes. There it goes. Let's see what we got under here. Okay. Ooh, what's that? Tiny little thing. It looks like it's a... I got one of these laying around already. I had it even before I started fixing watches. Let me go find it. Okay, I got this smaller battery here. It's a 377. Don't see a date on it, but hey, let's try it out. I don't know if I'm supposed to do this, but hey, that's also why I say it's for entertainment purposes, right? Okay, so get it a little closer here so we can see that movement. Alright, sorry about that guys. Okay, because that's as good as I get it. Is that showing up? We'd have to go down here. Alright, so guess I lift. Is that it? Oh, there it is. A little clasp. That was simple enough, wasn't it? Okay. Coming out. Nope. I don't want to force anything out. But it wants to go. Oh, there it goes. Okay, good. So let's see what we got. We got a... I can't freaking read that, even with my glasses on. Anyway, let's try this one out here I got. Let's see if this does it. Much different in size. So let's put this in, see what we got. Okay. Ooh, and we got tickage. Yes. There's the tickage. See the tickage? Oops, sorry. Tickage. Tickage. Well, we got tickage. Alrighty. We have a look-see here. Can you even see that? I'm getting a better camera soon, guys, so I'll read it. Energizer 377, and this one is damn, can't even see that. I'm trying to get on camera for you guys. I can't even see it, but you can't see it either. Maybe I can zoom it up on it. Oh. Looks like 2626. So 377. Let me go online and find out here. 1 second. Okay, well, according to Energizer, it is a replacement for a Sony SR626SW. So I'm gonna button up and roll with it. Get this case on. Let me check this. See this movement here. Seal looks good. I'll start this thing up and get it back on. Make sure that thing's in the case right. Okay, good. And I'm stoked to get this. See, like I said, I used to wear this one regularly at work all the time. And I used to actually get a few compliments on it too. Alright, got that going. Gonna get the wrench back on it. I'm gonna take a camera off for a second, guys. Okay, got that wrench on. It's kind of tricky to do that and run the camera. There it goes. Okay. Alrighty, we get that pin on and I'll be ready to rock. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna set that time. This thing's pretty neat because it has a, let's see, does it have a screw down crown? Did it have a screw down crown? Wait a minute, let me check. I don't know. I thought it, no. No, there's no screw down crown. Darn it, my mistake. So I'm gonna set the time here. Okay, and there it goes. Another one back from the dead. So I always like this watch. I used to wear it at work. I wear it off duty sometimes. Got the Roman numerals on it. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Turns out I can use that battery in this watch, and hey, what can I say? What do the big guys say? Rate, comment, and subscribe. And you know what? Anybody's hating on you, anyone's hating on your gear, anyone's hating on your taste or your watch or your your ride, whatever. You know what? Don't worry about the haters. Just let the haters worry about you. All right? Guys, be safe. I'll see you later.